Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Fiona Marici Olaya. I am 32 years old. I live in Bayambong, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married. I have one son, and he is 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, and I serve one couple and their daughter age of 4 years old. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, dishwashing, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing. While taking good care of their daughter, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to provide for my family's living and save up some money for my son's education. I am easy to interact with, also hardworking, initiative, and honest household helper. And to my future employer, I promise to do my duties, my responsibilities to the best of my abilities. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.